Welcome to day number 2 of NPE. It was a very busy day yesterday, an excellent indicator of great things to come throughout the week. We had steady traffic all day long in the Conair booth, and people were excited about the new AI technology, the tiny blender and the Beat the Blender game, Resin works with Optimizer, conveying with Optimizer, and all the interactive stations here in the booth. People were here at what I call the race track of tubing, where they can use the conveying with Optimizer system to see what happens when there's a leak in the system, what happens when there's a clogged filter, and how conveying with Optimizer AI technology overcomes those issues. Another really popular topic was this Auto RSS. This is the station that automatically selects source and destination based on your input to the SmartFLX. No manual interaction required. This results in full proofing and no operator input to keep your conveying system running properly. So no, our thermolators don't normally come with the see-through plexi side panels, but for the show we've done that so you can see the inside components of what's inside a TCU or a Conair thermolator. And this is not special effects on my camera. This actually is the size of the new MTC thermolator. This thing is tiny, so if you're looking for a TCU that fits in small spaces, this is the one. Another thing we're really excited to show you in the booth is the new EH series hoppers. You'll see them behind me throughout the booth here. You can see they've got a different texture on the outside. It resists, those marks that you usually get in a manufacturing facility. But let me show you another cool thing about it. Let's open this one up. So this is the EH31. Look, when we open this door up, look at the thickness of that insulation on the door. Massive. So if you walk around the show hall, you'll see our competitors. If you open the door of that drying hopper that they have, not nearly insulation like this. Some of them have no insulation, but this is really impressive. And that insulation carries all the way around the hopper. So the new EH series, much more insulation than even our previous CH series. And let's take a look inside. That nice smooth finish makes it really easy to clean the inside of the hopper. No material hang-up points. Some people have been asking, what's this big thing with all the filter drawers? This is a Conair Demister. It's a volatile trap for drying systems. So with all the new recycled content, the rPET, all the post-consumer regrind, this is used to pull all those volatiles out of the drying loop so that they're not clogging up your desiccant wheel as you're drying material. So we've got 2 different central drying systems here in the booth. This is the Resin work system with Optimizer AI technology. And then if we move further around the corner here, this is the MHC cart. So this is the mobile hopper cart. You can see it's got smaller hoppers on it. This is designed to be able to move around your plant. Definitely a highlight area of the booth all day yesterday. You can see Brian's getting it ready for today. This running extrusion line. Yesterday we were making 3D filament and we could not make the filament fast enough for all the people that were hoping to get those spools. Don't worry, we'll be running filament again later in the week. Today we're running medical tubing. So what you'll see today is a taper tube or a bump tube system running through this extrusion line. So behind me, you've got a Viper 17 series you can come to the booth and look at. But if you want to see this thing in action, go to the South Hall. Conair is a proud sponsor of the recycling initiative here at NPE, and we've got a Viper 17 in the South Hall that's creating all that regrind so we can recycle the material that's being made here at the show. So one other thing I wanted to show you is the Conor Claw. And if you come by the booth today, you'll learn how you can play this game to win great prizes. So yesterday, as day 1 of the show, was a great first start to this week. We're anticipating even better things every single day of the week. Hopefully we'll see you soon here in W2113 West Hall. Come right into doors A and B and you'll walk directly into the Conair booth. Hope to see you. Don't forget, we've got that coffee every morning, snacks every afternoon. Today happens to be hot popcorn. And then at the end of the day, happy hour from 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock. See you later.